Hi, my name is Michelle Nolan. I work here at the Clare Local Development Company on the Social Inclusion and Community Activation Programme. I'd like to welcome you back to our 10th video from our Job Seekers video series. Today we will cover a guide to using LinkedIn. I personally find using LinkedIn a very useful platform when looking for work. I'd like to wish you the very best of luck in your journey to finding work. And as always, our contact details are on the last slide of this presentation.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video, which is a guide to using LinkedIn. The topics that will be covered include what is LinkedIn, how to get started with a LinkedIn profile, how to build connections, using LinkedIn as a job search tool, some advice on being active and getting involved, and lastly, some final tips. So firstly, to start off, what is LinkedIn? So it is a professional social network. So it is a social media platform, but it is solely professional. It's very useful when you are looking for work. You can create a profile and interact with different people, including hiring managers, maybe at companies that you would like to work at. It's another way of building a network and getting your skills noticed. To get started, you should go to www.linkedin.com. You can click on Join Now and follow the instructions to create your profile. You can build your profile by adding firstly a professional photo. Be sure that you are dressed appropriately within this photo and that it is professional. You can then add your education and training, career details, skills and interests. These can all be taken from your CV. Remember, the more information you add, the easier it is for potential employers to notice you. Here is a sample profile setup. You can see the photo is professional, it is clear. You can see the individual's name, their job title and company that they work at. If you do not have a job currently at the moment, you can add in the type of area that you would wish to work in here. And again, the area that this individual is based in. Once you've created your LinkedIn profile, the next step is to build your connections. Here you should remember the importance of networking and its positive impact on getting a job. When looking to build connections, you can search for individuals either by name or the company that they work for. In order to build connections, you should think about who you already know. So that could be past and current co-workers, classmates, friends and family, for example. Connect with people at companies that you'd like to work for, and remember to accept invitations to connect with other individuals. LinkedIn can be used as a job search tool. This can be done in two ways. Firstly, you can let recruiters know that you are open to opportunities, so essentially that you are looking for work. You can do this by adding types of job opportunities that you're interested in and your preferred location. This way, your profile shows up in search results when recruiters look for suitable candidates for those specific jobs. You can also use LinkedIn's job search function. You can subscribe to job alerts, save jobs you're interested in, and apply directly to those jobs through LinkedIn. Again, you can add your preferred job and location here. You can also sign up to receive an email and a LinkedIn notification when new jobs are added that you might be interested in. Once you've set up your LinkedIn profile, it's important to be active and get involved. You can do this in a number of ways. Firstly, by sharing updates and interesting or relevant content, for example, new accomplishments, industry announcements, blog posts or articles. You can interact with your connections' recent activity. For example, if a connection shared a blog post that you enjoyed reading, why not give it a like or reply with a nice comment? You can also join groups, and this is a great way to learn and network with individuals with the same interests as you. And lastly, some final tips around your LinkedIn profile. Be consistent in your efforts, so you should set aside time to be active on LinkedIn and check in with your profile. If it's possible, download the LinkedIn application on your smartphone. This will make it easier for you to be an active user and check in with any new roles that could be of interest to you. Continuously update your profile. This could be with new information and also making new connections, accepting connections, etc. Always be respectful and professional. Remember, it is a professional social networking site, and remember that potential employers are looking at this, as are recruitment agencies. So always be mindful of that. Thank you for listening to this guide on LinkedIn. Please do contact Michelle and her colleagues for any support on LinkedIn or your job search in general using the contact details on screen. Visit the Clare Local Development Company's website on www.cldc.ie for more information on the Social Inclusion and Community Activation Programme. The very best of luck with your LinkedIn profile and your job search journey.